We are in the lead generation and sales conversion industries. In a down economy, one thing that is critical for any business is a steady supply of fresh leads and the ability to turn those leads into sales. Customer retention has obviously suffered, and so companies and salespeople are constantly looking for new ways to replace the loss in revenue through new customer acquisition. We are lead generation and sales conversion software providers. We offer services to the following industries: the mortgage industry, real estate industry, insurance sales, direct sales, network marketing, business opportunity, and many more. We offer high-speed lead generation software, and we provide lead acquisition through Google, Bing, Merchant Circle, Yelp, Craigslist, Backpage. We offer high-speed marketing capabilities. We have a self-hosted voice broadcasting system that offers live transfer capabilities for larger companies, an agent recording feature for training salespeople. We do 20,000 plus calls per hour, and we also offer a self-hosted system which is accessible from any location. We offer completely customizable sales funnel and lead capture page capabilities. An unlimited number of sales funnels can be created. Verified list building with access codes that protects our users from getting bogus information into their databases. GVO, Aweber, and GetResponse, some of the top autoresponders in the industry, are fully integrated. Simple content editing and video and company logos are easily added on. You can use your own background or select a pre-installed one. Color schemes to match any business, and optional thank you pages. We offer a completely customizable on-demand webinar platform. Create an on-demand webinar within minutes, an unlimited number of webinars, customized day and start times for each webinar. You can use your own background or select a pre-built one. You can again add company's logo to any webinar, and color formats are there to match any business. And we do have a very, very simple editing platform. So let's take a look at the Automatic Lead Tools software in action. Okay, so we're now logged into the Automatic Lead Tools back office, and we'll just go through all of the software components one at a time. So the first thing I'm going to do is open up the data mining software and access the software. You can see up here it says Google, Bing, Merchant Circle, Yelp, Craigslist, Backpage. So we'll just do a simple Google search to see how that works. Let's say that we're going to search for a company. Let's say we're going to be looking for some network marketing leads in a company called Herbalife. So what the software is going to do is begin extracting leads from different websites that it's finding on the internet. It's pulling names and phone numbers from any website that it's finding in Google, and it's collecting them here. As you can see, as I pull down, it continues to pull more and more and more data. And in just a matter of minutes, we'll have a large supply of names and of email addresses and phone numbers of people that potentially are in Herbalife, or at least have their information on a website that has something to do with Herbalife. So we'll click on complete extraction, but the extraction is still going on, but we'll stop it just for time's sake. And in that time frame, it pulled 2,045 email addresses and 506 phone numbers. You can do similar searches using Bing. Merchant Circle and Yelp are going to pull business addresses, and Craigslist, the Craigslist platform, you can do searches within the entire Craigslist platform in any category, any state, and any city. Once your lists are extracted, you create a database here and you have access to them to download into a CSV file. Also, if you are doing direct mail campaigns and you do a search through the business directories of Merchant Circle or Yelp, you can print these out. You can click a button and it opens here. You can simply add label paper to your printer and print out these addresses right onto labels and send out your direct mail piece immediately. So that's how the data miner works. It works very fast. It's the fastest in the industry. Next, let's go to the broadcasting platform. So we have phone numbers here that we've got from the data miner. So you would download these into a CSV file on your computer. Then you can literally go into the broadcasting platform and you can go to broadcast and the system will open up. You can upload the phone numbers, record a message directly from your phone, or if you have a professional audio recording, you can upload that as well. And you can create a voice broadcast campaign, click a button, and immediately your message will be sent out to the phone numbers that you just moments ago downloaded from the data miner. That fast, you can have a marketing campaign up and running. There are many large companies that have a good portion of their marketing budget set using voice broadcasting because it's a very powerful way to get the message out. Next, let's go over to the on-demand webinars. So you click here to create an on-demand webinar, and this is where you choose the times and dates. You create your video link and add all of these options, the colors and so forth, and then create your on-demand webinar. When your on-demand webinar is created, you'll see here that a link is created, and this is an example of what it looks like. So we have a background that we've chosen. The color of the page is white. Company logo can come up here. Page title goes here, and depending on what time frame you set for the webinar, that is showing the countdown for when the webinar is set to begin. Finally, sales funnels. Again, you can click on create a new funnel. You can choose your web page title, the background. Here are the, multiple options for backgrounds for you to choose from. We have 50 at this moment, and we'll be adding others as we move forward. You can choose the company logo URL, the content before the video embed code, which you can get directly from YouTube. After video content, the redirect button. I'll show you what all this is on the actual sales funnel page that I'm going to show you. This is where you integrate your autoresponder. And we have, like I said, the options of Aweber, GetResponse, or GVO, depending on which service you use. And you can also create a third page, would be considered a thank you page. So let's go back and take a look at one of the sales funnel pages. Here's a simple page that was created. So you can see here we added the company logo at the top. Here's the name of the page, how to make money online. Here's the above the video content. Here's the video that was pulled from YouTube. It's a video that I did doing a book review on a book by Bob Proctor called You Were Born Rich. Here is the input fields where the people being sent to this page would put their name and their email address. You can also have another field where they can put their phone number and then get the details. You can choose the color of this box here. You can also choose what type of button you want with a number of options that we have available for you to use. There are endless combinations of pages and ways to use the customized sales funnel. You can market any product or service within these customized sales funnels, and we offer full tutorials in this section showing you exactly how to create your custom sales funnels with over-the-shoulder videos. Same goes for the phone broadcasting, as well as the data mining, as well as the on-demand webinars. So we have complete video tutorials showing you how to use all of our various software components inside of our system.